Welcome to our channel MCQ1. In today's topic, we will going to cover NEET MCQ Biology Part 6. So let's start the video. Which part of the ear has no role to play in hearing but is very important? Ear ossicles, vestibular apparatus, Eustachian tube, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Vestibular apparatus part of the ear has no role to play in hearing but is very important. The low RBC count is seen in anemia and hepatitis, influenza, typhoid, leukemia. The correct answer is option D. The low RBC count is seen in anemia and leukemia. Parkinson disease is caused due to the deficiency of dopamine, epinephrine, acetylcholine, endorphins. The correct answer is option A. Parkinson disease is caused due to the deficiency of dopamine. Presence of RBC in urine is known as proteinuria, hematuria, nephritis, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Presence of RBC in urine is known as hematuria. Which of the following cell organelle are found only in a plant cell? Plastids, mitochondria, Golgi complex, ribosomes. The correct answer is option A. Plastid cell organelle are found only in a plant cell. The hepatic portal vein drains blood to the liver from heart, kidneys, intestine, stomach. The correct answer is option C. The hepatic portal vein drains blood to the liver from intestine. The border between the middle and inner ear is formed by incus, oval window, tympanic cavity, tympanic membrane. The correct answer is option B. The border between the middle and inner ear is formed by oval window. The myelin sheath is derived from microglia, neuraglial cell, Schwann cells, nerve cells. The correct answer is option C. The myelin sheath is derived from Schwann cells. Which of these is a disease of the myelin sheath? Polio, Parkinson, multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer. The correct answer is option C. Multiple sclerosis is a disease of the myelin sheath. Which of the following type of plastid helps in pollination? Leucoplast, chloroplast, chromoplast, all of the above. The correct answer is option C. Chromoplast type of plastid helps in pollination. Chronic anemia and multiple sclerosis are allergic diseases, hormonal diseases, autoimmune diseases, genetic diseases. The correct answer is option C. Chronic anemia and multiple sclerosis are autoimmune diseases. If the stem grows towards sunlight and root grows just opposite to it, the stem movement is known as phototrophic movement, negative phototrophic movement, positive to phototrophic movement, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Positive phototrophic movement. Which of the following organelle is involved in lipid metabolism? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, peroxisomes, Golgi apparatus. The correct answer is option B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum organelle is involved in lipid metabolism. Which of the following protein causes the dilation of blood vessels? Histamine, pyrogens, interferon, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Histamine protein causes the dilation of blood vessels. A patient is suspicious of having breast cancer. Which type of test will a physician conduct to diagnose the cancer? Blood test, mammography, CT scan, viral test. The correct answer is option B. Mammography. The nucleus of cancerous cells becomes unchanged, degenerated, abnormally large, none of these. The correct answer is option C. The nucleus of cancer cell become abnormally large. Which of the following organelle helps in the penetration of sperm into the egg during fertilization? Peroxisome, nucleus, lysosome, mitochondria. The correct answer is option C. Lysosome organelle helps in the penetration of sperm into the egg during fertilization. Plastids are absent in fungi, bacteria, blue-green algae, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. This statement regarding angina is true. Blood flow is unaffected, most common in children, inadequate supply of oxygen to the heart muscle, heart stops beating. The correct answer is option C, inadequate supply of oxygen to the heart muscles. This disease is not related to the circulatory system. Diabetes mellitus, hypertension, diphtheria, coronary thrombosis. The correct answer is option C. Diphtheria disease is not related to the circulatory system. The mode of nutrition in which one organism obtains nutrition from other organism is known as symbiosis, autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, none of these. The correct answer is option D, heterotrophic nutrition. Digestion of food in amoeba occurs in cytoplasm, nucleus, food vacuole, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, food vacuole. In chloroplast, where do light reactions occur? Outer membrane, inner membrane, thylakoid membrane, stroma. The correct answer is option C. In chloroplast, light reaction occurs in thylakoid membrane. Yeast produce an enzyme complex which is responsible for fermentation. Which is the enzyme complex? Zymase, dehydrogenase, aldolase, invertase. The correct answer is option A, zymase. Extranuclear DNA is found in ribosome, chloroplast, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is option B. Extranuclear DNA is found in chloroplast. Benign tumor is the one which differentiated and capsulated, shows metastasis, differentiated and non-capsulated, undifferentiated and non-capsulated. The correct answer is option A. Benign tumor is the one which differentiated and capsulated. In roots, most of the water flows through passive transport, apophyllast, cell wall, active transport. The correct answer is option B. In roots, most of the water flows through apophyllast. Which of the following bacteria thrive in extreme environmental conditions such as high temperature and acidic pH, the absence of oxygen and high salt concentration? Bacterium, cyanobacteria, archaeabacteria, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, archaeabacteria. Which of the following statement is true for archaeobacteria? Archaeobacteria are fossils, archaeobacteria are halophils, archaeobacteria are photosynthetic, archaeobacteria are old living entities. The correct answer is option D. Archaeobacteria are old living entities. Which one of the following statement is correct about T lymphocyte in mammals? The correct answer is option B. These are originated in lymphoid tissues. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MCQs 1 for latest informative MCQ.